Hey guys, 𝓦𝓃𝓼𝓲𝓬 here, and I'm back with another story, another video, another vlog, whatever call it. And today, I just want to do a little video updating you guys of what we've done in our first 3 weeks. Imagine 3 weeks. Wow! So fast. In our new home. First, because a complete disaster. We did a lot of shopping, organizing, cleaning, and packing. Not to mention the rush preparation for Ritz's birthday celebration and the housewarming. We literally don't have pictures or videos of how we unpack our things and how we organize our things because our focus is to finish everything before the celebration. So yeah, we're very busy that we forget to take a video of everything and document the happenings. And in the past few days as well, we did a lot of shopping online and in stores. We've ordered a lot of amazing stuff and cool stuff on Amazon. Some we have received, unboxed, and installed already, and some are on the way. And almost every day we are in the dollar store because the price range there is from $1 to $4. It's way cheaper compared to Canadian Tire and IKEA. So yeah, of course these days we have to be practical. I will show you some of the things I've got from the Amazon and from the dollar store, and I will tell and show you one more cute, like cutie news. But before that, let's do a quick recap of how we celebrated Ritz's birthday and the housewarming. So on his birthday, like September 7, I woke him up with a gift, and this is my gift to him. A boxer shorts with my face on it. And yes, just last week, we finally got a baby. Yes, a kitten. I am now a mama cat again. Yay! As you all know, I'm a cat person. Like, I literally grew up with cats in the house. And yeah, my legendary cats were Raquel, Chicks, Jam, Madge.
Oops, I forgot to mention Botchog, Jambi, and Botchi.
And my last cat was Toby. Toby in the UAE. I have to rehome him in 2018 because when we moved to a different flat, we have to let go of him because pets were not allowed there. So yeah, he's in a good hands right now, and I miss him so much, even though he's really stubborn. Like, he's stubborn. He is the most stubborn cat that I had. So yes, without further ado, let me introduce to you Luna, the 8 weeks black kitten. Hey Luna, say hi to the vlog. Aww. Hey Luna. Yes, yeah, I really want to have a black cat because I've never experienced having a black cat. And to be honest, I wanted a Sphinx, but I'm not really sure if everyone is happy about me having a Sphinx, aside from it's expensive, it's also scary. So probably next time.
And as promised, I will show you the things that I bought from the Amazon and from the dollar store. The very first thing that I bought from Amazon is this toothbrush sterilizer. It has 3 functions: toothbrush holder, toothpaste dispenser, and toothbrush UV sterilizer. The second thing that I bought from Amazon is this 3-chamber dispenser for body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I really want to minimize bottles scattered around the tub, so yeah, it's a great buy. And there's another section in our house which I am really happy about. And I'm proud that all these things are from the dollar store.
For sure, I have to maintain all this, but I really wanted our kitchen cabinets to be so organized, because if it's organized, you can easily find things that you're looking for. So that's it for the quick run. I want to turn you around, and I will for sure, but I'll probably do it once everything is done and everything is finished, because we will do some tweaks, like we will color the whole place white. But yeah, we will get into that soon. And of course, I wanted to thank every individual who's given us gifts. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. From wines to big gifts. Oh my gosh. And yeah, let's do an unboxing. That I do, there's a realization. And when Ritz and I organizing our things and are packing our things, I realized that home is more than just the bricks and the wood. It's more than the structure. For some, home is filled with your sentimental collection and your personal touches. Home is where you were cared, you were loved, and you were respected. Home is a little corner of God's green earth to call your own. And for me, home is a place of love and comfort. I believe that God chose this place for us, so we wanted to honor Him by opening this home for His service. And that's it for today's vlog. So please don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh my gosh, we're so near to having 500 subscribers. Thank you very much. And yeah, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. And till the next story time, video, vlog, whatever you call it. Bye.